Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video, and this time I'm going to show you how to integrate your Facebook form with your CRM. Now we're going to integrate the form we created last time when I showed you how to create a Facebook campaign. Okay, so let's do it. If you remember, last time we created an Oakville buyers lead generation campaign. Now before we head on and integrate this, let's first see what was the form, which form we used last time. Okay. Now if you head over to your ad, scroll down, and you can see here last time we created and used buyers in Oakville Vault lead generation form. Now next, what you want to do is go over to your CRM account, and on the left hand side go to settings and Facebook integration. Now before we integrate anything, first we gotta create a source for this particular form, because we want to know that the leads are actually coming from this Facebook campaign, and a tag. Now tags are here just to give you some additional information that may help your business. Okay, first let's create a source. So we want to know that the leads are coming from Facebook ads, so we're going to say Facebook ads. We said Oakville buyers, let's click save. Perfect, done. Source is created. Now let's create a tag. Now you can put literally anything you want in here. Like I said, this is just some additional information that helps you with your business. So I'm just gonna copy what I wrote in the source. Facebook ads, buyers in Oakville Vault. Okay, hit confirm. That's it. We've created both source and a tag. Now let's head over to Facebook integration. So you're going to see this. Now before you integrate anything, you have to connect your Facebook account to the CRM. If you don't, you can't integrate it, right? So if you don't have this section, if you don't see this, if it's blank, a window will pop up saying, asking you to connect your Facebook account to the CRM. You click proceed. It's pretty straightforward, and in 10 to 20 seconds you'll have it done. Now, once you've connected your Facebook account to the CRM, you head over to the second section, Facebook integration, and integrate it. Okay, let's do it. Now, click Add New Integration. We select a page we're advertising. In this case, it's Agent Locator Testing, and we choose a form. Buyers in Oakville, right? Okay, now source, we're gonna say Facebook ads, buyers in Oakville. Tags, Facebook ads, buyers in Oakville. Perfect. We hit save, and that's it. It's integrated. Okay, now next what we want to do is we need to test this. We need to test it to see if the integration is working. Okay, now there's a really cool tool from Facebook called called Lead Ads Testing Tool, right? And you can find it by going to developers.facebook.com/tools/lead-ads-testing. Okay, now once you go there, you'll see this. Then simply just select your advertising page and select the form, buyers in Oakville Vault. Now you can create a lead, click create a lead. In that case, Facebook will automatically create a lead, or you can click preview form, which is my favorite because you control the input of the information. Okay, now let's test it. Native testing. When it comes to the email, always use a dummy email, because if you use your personal one and that's in the system already, system will not recognize it, and you might think that the integration is working while it's actually working, right? Now, like I said, a dummy email, native testing, again at testingnative.com. You put in a random phone number, hit next, hit submit, and that's it. Now let's see if it's working. We'll go over to your CRM again, click refresh, and you should be able to see your test lead. Native testing again at testingnative.com. This is the test lead. Our integration is successful. Okay, hope this helps. If you should have any questions, feel free to contact me. Okay, have a good one. Thanks. Bye.